Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to introduce myself. My name is Anissa Delantamu. I'm from Chemistry Education Class A. I will explain about the practicum titled Synthesis of Calcium Sulfate from limestone. Objective: study the synthesis of calcium sulfate from limestone. Calcium carbonates are one of the most abundant minerals in the earth crust. They occur in the from limestone and chalk, formed from fossils, and marble formed from the metamorphosis and sediment rock. Calcium sulfate is one of several sulfate scales and is also called gypsum. Like is can from ether as result of mixing dissimilar water of naturally is result of change in the temperature as the water travels from the surface to the surface treating facility. Experimental tools and material. Experimental tools name. One evaporation cup bottle, measuring pipette test, beaker glass, distillation apparatus, test tube, spatula, mortar, analytic blends, wet glass, spray bottle, glass tipper, reagent, oven, some furnace. Material 9, limestone, chloric acid HCl, aqueous, potassium, KSCN, natrium sulfat acid H2SO4, natrium karbonat Na2CO3, nitrit acid HNSO3, sodium oxalate Na2C2O4. Experimental work scheme: 1. Smooth limestone and then sifting. 2. Weighing 2, gram of already crushed limestone 1 smooth. 3. Heat in the furnace at 900 derajat for a hour. Sugar powder result with 50 ml aqueous, 25 ml of 1 HCl, 1 molar HCl for 15 minutes while stirring. Concentrated aqueous solution by means of heat or vapor is a selection not to precipitate is formed. When formed, stop heating and aqueous drop until the horse anymore and drop 1 molar H2SO4 while stirring until it formed a solid will help with color if necessary. Filter the sediment that formed and the part dry. Quality text. The solving solid CaSO4 in 25 ml sulfuric acid solution. 2 add 3 drops of 1 mKSCN. Description. The experiment involved several stages including the following stages of sampling, preparation, synthesis, and qualitative test. The experimental process of taking limestone sample was taken near the village of Bulit, Kota Barat, city of Gorontalo. The preparation stage begins with crushing and the limestone first to the hot limestone evaporation easily then is shifted to the first qualitative test, adding a few drops from H2SO4 and 10 ml KSCN 1 molar to solution from white to pink with silt. While a second quantitative test adding a 10 ml of H2NO3 solution 1 molar and 15 drops Na2CO3 1 molar of bubbles. Conclusion: based on the experiment carried out, it can be concluded that one limestone is used in making calcium sulfate because calcium level in limestone are very high. To the weight of the CaSO4 18,3. Terima kasih. Thank you very much.